I am excited and hoping that you will be able to join me Sunday, March 13th from 1 to 3 for a Mocha Moment with our special guest, Ramona Prater, as she dialogues about her newest publication, In the Pink. This is an exclusive event, which means it's not open to the public. However, you are at liberty to bring one person with you. I just need to know who that person is, and you can make that information known to me when you RSVP at Mocha Moments at ntdesignsolutions.com. We are going to dialogue and have kitchen conversation over coffee and light refreshments and speak about relationships, more specifically, the details regarding how to rediscover the girl within. Now, fellas, don't get intimidated. We are welcoming you to join us. We want to hear from you, your perspectives, your opinions, your feedback. This is not about male bashing, not at all. Neither is it about female bashing. This is about people empowerment. So again, I am really excited and hoping you'll be able to share this Mocha Moment with me.